What's up guys, my name's David Isaac Baluso, and today I'm going to show you how to answer basic calculus related rates. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and if you have questions, just comment below. So without further ado, let's give to the examples and I'll show you how to answer them.
So this is a question that we're going to answer. A 20-feet ladder is leaning against a wall when its base starts to slide away from the wall. By the time its base is 16 feet from the wall, the base is moving at the rate of 12 feet per second. So before we are going to the questions, let's know first what are given. So we know that there is a ladder leaning against a wall. And this is our ladder, which is, our ladder is 20 feet. And by the time its base is 16 feet from the wall. So this is 16 feet. So let the distance between the base of the wall and the base of the ladder be x. Then let the y be the height of the top of the ladder is off the ground. So this is our y. The given is that dx over dt is equals to positive 12 feet per second at the moment. So our dx over dt is equals to 12 . And since the length of the ladder is 20 feet is a constant, since it would never change throughout. So let this be our variable z. So our x is equals to 16 feet. Our dx dt 12 feet, and our z is constant, that is 20 feet. So with this, we can proceed now to our first question. In our first question, what we are looking for is our dy dt. dy over dt. It is a simple relation between x and y is via the Pythagorean theorem, which is x squared plus y squared is equals to 20 squared. Since our 20 is constant, and this one is implicit differentiate both sides of the equation with respect of t. So in our equation, we're going to use 2x over dx dt plus 2y dy over dt is equals to 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve dy dt in terms of x and y and dx dt. So what will happen is first we're going to cancel this 2 so that x and y will be the remaining, and then we're going to over dt is equals to negative x over y equals to times dx over dt. So this one, our x is negative 16, our y is 12. Oh, I forgot to tell you, how did we get y? So we got the y because the equation x squared plus y squared is equals to 20 squared. So our x squared is, our x is 16 squared plus y squared is equals to 20 squared. So 16 squared is equals to 256 y squared plus y squared. So 20 squared is equals to 400. So what are we going to do to find y squared is we move this one to here, minus them. So this will be 400 minus 256 is equals to y squared. So the answer of this 400 minus 256 is 144 is equals to y squared. So what are we going to do to eliminate y squared is to square them in both sides. So this squared will be eliminated, and will be y. And the square root of 144 is 12. That's how we get our y. So going back, now that we know how to get y, so let's go back. So negative 16 is our x, our 12 is our y, times our dx dt. Our dx dt is 12. Since it is multiplied, so we can eliminate both this one and leave negative 16. So our answer is negative 16 feet per second. So this is our answer in our letter A. Our next question is, at what rate is the area, the triangle formed by the wall, the ladder, and the ground changing at the same time? Now the unknown is the rate of the change of the area, the dA over dt. We know the rates of changes of the two sides, so therefore the choice for a relation between what we are known and the unknown is simple. It is area is equals to x times y over 2. So if we implicitly differentiate both sides, so this will be dA over dt is equals to 1/2 quantity of x times dy over dt plus y times dx over dt. So we are given that when x 16 dx dt is equals to 12, we also found in that the same moment y is equals to 12 and dy dt is equals to 12. Substitute those values into the equation here, and so we have dA over dt is equals to 1/2 our x is 16 multiplied by our dy dt is equals to negative 16 feet. I mean negative 16. Don't need to write the feet per second. Negative 16 plus y is equals to 12 and dx dt is 12. So this will become over 2. So 192 plus 144 is equals to 336 squared. I mean over 2. Lowest term is equals to 168 feet per feet squared per second. So this is our answer in letter B. So our last question is, at what rate is the angle between the ladder and the ground changing? So can you think of a formula that relates the angle with the sides x and y of a right triangle? Well, it is easy. The answer is negative 1 rad per sec. So thank you for watching my video channel. If you have questions, just comment down below and I'll try to answer them. And if you need help, you can just follow up, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. See you on my next video. Bye guys.